Hi, this is Tim Bilecki, Managing Partner of Bilecki. I'm here in Manhattan, New York. I'm here to give a presentation to a group of individuals about the presumption of innocence and how I believe it's being eroded in a modern society. And while the Constitution certainly gives us the right that we are innocent until proven guilty in a court of law, I think the perception these days with the mainstream media and just our human nature in general is that you are guilty until proven innocent if an accusation is made against you. Now, one of the questions I get all over the time when I come to events like this from non-lawyers or people that aren't in our line of work, they ask me, how can I defend someone who's guilty? How can I defend someone who I believe may actually be guilty? And that's kind of a loaded question, and there's a long answer to that. But the reality is, how do we know that they're guilty? How do we know? I mean, the most vile, the most dangerous, the most despicable accused individuals, and I say accused, they must be represented impartially and without judgment. This is to ensure that the most innocent among us are equally protected. That process, the way we represent someone, it must be the same, fact-based, evidence-driven, truth-seeking, thorough, impassioned, and impartial. The process has to be the same for everyone that I represent, or the process or the system breaks down altogether. Because the reality is, I don't know off the bat whether someone's guilty or whether they're innocent. It's my job to uncover the truth and to treat everyone equally and to make sure that the truth comes out and that they're protected against the government. They're protected against an overarching government machine which wants to eat them up and spit them out. Again, we have to treat all people equally, and I can't prejudge people, because how do I know if I'm going to prejudge someone that I believe is guilty up front and say I'm not going to represent them? How do I know that when I actually uncover the case, or actually when I do my investigation, that that person might actually be innocent? If that was the belief that we all had, that we're going to prejudge people from the beginning, then innocent people who are accused of crimes or people who are grossly overcharged would never receive representation, and we would move into a state of absolute anarchy. You cannot prejudge people. You cannot put your own morality on people before you know all of the facts and all of the circumstances. Again, as lawyers, we must judge people and represent individuals impartially, seeking the truth and giving the absolute best defense that we know how to give them so the system ultimately works.